There are a few more room microphones that we're going to add to our recipe. We're going to be using two large capsule tube microphones. We're using Neuman M150. And the reason why I'm using them up high, it's pretty much to pick up only the reflections of the room. Those microphones are generally the one that I'm going to be using to crush them down and to pick up a lot of the bombasticness of the room. Other than sounding fantastic, I use them in order to recreate literally a third dimension after I record a drum kit. The microphones have been placed approximately 21 feet away from the kit. This is because based on the 3-to-1 rule was the correct position in order to avoid any phase problems or comb filtering problems between the faraway room microphones and the close room microphones. Now, as you can see, these two microphones, given the omnidirectional pattern, are going to help me out to increase the perceived width and size of the drum kit. Of course, assuming I'm not going to be mixing this record and I'm not going to be mixing these drums, I want to give to whoever is going to be mixed this record as much ability to mess around with different types of microphone in order to create the sounds that they're after. With that said, now listening back to our recording, the combination of close microphones plus ambience microphone plus close room microphones and faraway room microphones should give us the impression as if we were in the exact same room as the drummer.